Padr Pio. Padr Pio, a heart so kind, a heart like God's love divine, a heart so humble, a heart untouched by pride or malice, a heart of love. The suffering of Jesus he tried to live. The wounds of Jesus he bore them still. In simplicity and humility he showed the way to a life of holiness, the narrow way. The sins of many he felt, he sensed. He knew when people put on pretense. The forgiveness of Jesus he showed to all. No sin was too big, no sorrow too small. Pray for us, Saint Padr Pio, that we all may your love and example follow today. Help us to show others the true Christian way, to bring them closer to Jesus, our yesterday, our tomorrow, our today.
A loving man so humble, with demeanor clear and bright, a great love for his brethren, greater love for God on high. All his life he lived for others, all his suffering so intense, offered up to save souls, offered up to Jesus Lord. Padr Pio of Pietrelcina, with love for God and man, you showed us a great example of how great suffering can make us holy, make us stronger, clean our souls and make us new. Padr Pio of Pietrelcina, our lives, our souls